You know who I was, nigga. Take care of my squad. You call my name. You call my name, right?
I'll see you there. You know, I ain't been on the radio for a long time, but I still recognize them voices, man. I still recognize them voices there, ModSquad gone. And I'll see you too there, ModSquad Mobile, downtown. Read the mail. Aloha. All right, yeah. If he coming from the back, then I got chance. If he coming from your backside, I got chance then. ModSquad gone. Right back. It's not about the box, it's how you set it up. Take care there, SwitchBlade, ModSquad, Honolulu, with 4 pills of devastation in a new car. Aloha.
You devastated, man. You got a devastating mobile for once in years. Take care of you later, man. Look, that old funny car you used to have years ago, a damn grill and a wheel, that damn thing. Man, you had a wheel, look like a damn little bit of space. Man, look like a little space. Take care of ModSquad.
I'll see you too there, SwitchBlade. Take care. SwitchBlade, ModSquad Mobile. I'll go back read the mail. SwitchBlade, because my neighbors want to talk to you too. ModSquad gone. Bye.